Hi friends, this is Vishal and our today's topic is data interpretation. Right? Let's see. A bar graph. Yeah. So here we have bar graphs and the columns are given. Just a second. Yeah. So in any data interpretation problem, we will just try to analyze the data first, right? Then we will proceed. Spend at least 15 to 16 seconds, right? And slowly we will attain speed. Okay? So let's see. First thing is here the production of three types of tires by a company over the years in lakhs is given, right? The blue is type A, red is type B, and the yellow is type C, right? Here in 1992, first of all, focus here. The production of type A is what, right? It's not given here. We will approximately try to figure out, right? So you can see this blue part is almost in the middle of 20 and 30, right? So approximately we can write it 25. Okay, here in 1993 this is 20, quite obvious. In 94 this is 30, and this is in 1995. You can see this is the middle part, right? And this part, just a minute, this part is middle of this middle, this two. Okay, so this can be 27.5, right? This is 25 and this is 30. So between 30 and 25 we'll get 27.5, right? Likewise here we can write 12.5, right? Now just try to analyze it. First thing we can do is we can see the in 1992 it is 25 lakhs and in 1993 it is 20 lakh. So there is a drop in production, right? The drop is of 5 lakhs, right? This is the first thing we can find out. Likewise from 93 to 94 there is a increase of 10 lakhs, right? So from here the question can be asked like what is the percentage increase in production, what is the percentage decrease in production, right? What is the percentage increase or decrease in production, right? Right. Similarly for this type B and type C we can find out, right? So further let's see a few questions and then we'll try to clear our concept in a better. Okay, so let's see. The question is what type of what was the percentage drop in the number of C type tires from 93 to 94, right? So in 93 C type tire is 25 lakhs. Let me write it here in 93 and in 94. Okay, it is 25 lakhs and in 94 it is 22.5 lakhs, right? So there is a drop of, you can see, 2.5 lakhs, right? That is a drop. right? So percentage drop in production is very simple now. It's the drop, right, by the 1993 value, that is 25, and if you multiply it by 100, then it becomes percentage drop, right? So 2.5 by 25 into 100, this become 10%, right? So let's see next question. Yeah, this is another type of question where average is asked, right? So the question is, what is the average production of B type tires from 93 to 96? It's simple. Here the B type deltas are given from 93 to 96, right? So average is what? We can write it like 30 plus 27.5 plus 35 plus 22.5 by 4. This is general method, and please mind it, we are not going to use this, right? We will calculate in our mind only, right? We will try to write it as less as possible. So let's see. Now see, 30 can be written as 30. However, 27.5 can be written as 20 plus 7.5, right? 35 can be written as 30 plus 5. Okay, and here 22.5 can be written as 20 plus 2.5. Just try to add this tens value, that is 30, 20, 30 and 20 first. So we will get, writing here, 50, 70, 20, 50, 50, 30, 80 and this 20, 100, right? Further this part can be added, right? So this becomes what? 7.5 plus 2.5, 10, and this 5, 15. Okay, so this is 15, right? So see, now this can be written as 100 plus 15, right? So 100 by 4 we know, and this is what? We know this can be written as, right? Further this can be written as, right? Let me write here. So this becomes what? This is further 3 plus 3 by 4, right? So we have total 28 plus 3 by 4, that is, right? So this is better way to write, calculate. Okay, let's see next problem. Yeah, now here total number of all three types of tires are given, right? Manufacturer was, and the question is asked, what was the least value, right? So here you can see 1992 this much was produced. I have written here so that things are more clear. So you can see here, in 1992 type A was 25 lakh, type B was 20 lakh, and type C was 30 lakh, right? And in total it was 75 lakhs, right? Likewise, for in 1993 it is 75 lakhs, in 94 it is 80 lakhs, in 95 it is 85 lakhs, and in 96 it is 65 lakhs, right? So obviously our answer is this what, 96. Okay, in examination, please note this, you did not form this table, right? You can simply calculate it here, right? You can edit like just I have taught you, 20, 30 plus 20 then 5, right? This 25 can be split as 20 plus 5, right? So let's so total production of C type in 1992 and 1993 together was what percent of type B in 1994, right? So let's see, for C type C in 1992 it is 30 lakhs, and in 1993 it is 25 lakhs. See here, for type C, this is type C, yellow part, and this is 25 lakhs in 1993. So this is 55 lakhs, right? And for type B in 1994, here 1994 it is, just a minute, this is 27.5, right? So this is 27.5 lakhs, right? So now the question is, total production of C type was what percent of, so C is what percent of B? Yeah, the question was down to this. Okay, now it's very simple. Here this is 55, this is, we have to find out, and this is what into, and B is 55, so the B is 27.5, excuse me, right? So on calculating you will get 55 by 27.5 into 100, so that is 200, right? So our answer is right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.